Hello, my name is Tommy Marrinan, and this is a demo of a CAVE2 application using OmegaLib and osgEarth. Here we have data from the city of Chicago overlaid on a map, and we are viewing crimes and as well as their public transportation data. Here in a menu I have every single neighborhood broken out, and the camera will fly to that neighborhood to kind of focus on that area so you can quickly navigate around the city easily. Selecting a community will pop up data about that community. Here we can see the community name, the total crimes, as well as the crimes per capita. You can see a sort of laser pointer type ray being cast from a wand device. This is used to pick, and as you can see, we can select multiple different types of neighborhoods to show their data. When displaying crimes by community, the user has many options. The first thing here, we can check out how we want to count. So here we have two options, total crimes or crimes per capita. This gives us a look where we can see the data normalized to the population as of 2010. Next, we can modify the date. So here we have a date range between a minimum and maximum. This only selects the crimes between those dates. Next, we can also select how to color the bars on each community. You can either use the actual value of the crimes, or you can compare it to the average across all time. So here, we're showing yellow means it's approximately average, green means better than average, and red means worse than average. Next, we can group crimes by actually showing the individual incidents. So here we have all the different types of crimes. A user can select up to 3 different types to display simultaneously. And then the time period is a single month. So these are all the crimes of those 3 types that happened on a given month. Again, we can fly kind of all over the data and use our wand pointer to select individual crimes and kind of pop up more data about it. The next feature we can use when looking at individual crimes is we can drop a push pin onto the map and adjust the radius around that push pin, and then select only to show crimes that happen within the radius of that push pin when we enable that. The wand pointer again can be used to kind of set the location of the push pin, and then only the crimes near it are going to actually be shown. In addition, the push pin can also be used to display some of the CTA public transportation data. In this case, we are showing bus stops, the locations of bus stops near the push pin. So as I fly in, you'll actually be able to see, little bus stop signs within the radius of that push pin. Another thing to note is that since this is a virtual environment, as I walk around, you'll notice that the view actually updates with me. The next piece of public transportation data that we can view is the train system. So here we show all the train stops, the track lines, as well as the live locations and directions of each train. Next, we can simulate in this application kind of the incoming live crimes. Now, in the application, we're actually using the time and date of the 2012 crimes and pretending that they're happening in 2013. So here, icons that are big and bright are happening just a few moments ago, whereas ones that are smaller and kind of transparent happen up to an hour ago. The last user option in this application is to actually control the type of map that we're looking at. So currently we were seeing a satellite map, and the user can simply adjust it to kind of the typical road map look that you would otherwise see. Thank you.